Find the value of k for which the roots 9x square plus 8kx plus 16 equals 0 are real and equal. See, if the roots are real and equal, then discriminant b square minus 4ac will be 0. If discriminant is 0, then we can say roots are equal. So here roots are equal. So I'll write b square minus 4ac is 0. So the question is like 9x square plus 8kx plus 16 equals 0. So if you compare with the standard one, that is ax square plus bx plus c, the value of a is 9, b is 8k, c is 16. So b square minus 4ac equals 0. The value of b is 8k whole square, 4 times a is 9, c is 16 equals 0. So 8 square is 64 k square minus, see here if you observe, here also you have 64, see, 4 times 16 is 64 times 9 equals 0. So now in this both the terms you can take 64 common. 64 if you will take common, k square minus 9 equals 0. So 64 if you will transpose that side, you will get 0. So k square minus 9, 0 by 64 is 0. K square minus 9 is 0. K square equals 9. K equals root 9. So which is nothing but k equals plus or minus 3. The other way, see, if you want you can multiply. Otherwise you can do in another method, that just directly after this step, answer is plus or minus 3. But after this step if you want, see, you can write 64k square minus 64 times 9 equals 0. This term you can send to the right side. 64k square equals 64 into 9. K square equals 64 times 9 by 64. 64 cancel. So k square equals 9. So k equals root 9, which is nothing but plus or minus 3.